What's up, guys? This is Shauna with Oliver Lash. Today, you're going to be coming with me while we do a drenched wet set at our Tivoli Village Oliver Lash location. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. I love our drenched wet sets. They're so popular. We have Ashley here. She is our beautiful model. Of course, she has an amazing lash line. She has tons of lashes, and her end result is so beautiful. With her lash set, we are going to be using our 0.03cc velvet lashes. We're also going to be using our feathered spikes, and they are so beautiful. I love them. The only thing I will say is you have to use a little bit more adhesive with these, but the end result is just so amazing. You can't get that with like doing custom. Of course, our creme de la creme 3ml adhesive are most popular, our heavenly isolator lashes, and our methodical fiber tip. With every fill and lash set, we always go in with a primer. We use saline solution a lot, but with this, we're using our anointed primer. We also will customize our spikes. And so with that, we use our anointed primer to make the spikes. What we do first is we always go in with our custom handmade spikes. Love using a glue ring because I feel like you just get the most perfect symmetrical spikes. And so we will do the first layer with these handmade spikes. And I would say that it almost looks like a thicker classic set when you first do that first layer. But as you're adding in some custom fans and of course the feathered spikes, that's when the end result will give you that beautiful drenched wet set. We at Oliver Lash, we do not write on the iPads. We don't map anything. Our lash artists have been doing lashes for years and years, and so their eye for a symmetrical set is so on point. And usually with our wet sets, just depending on the lash artist, but they do take a little bit more time just because the mapping has to be so on point. And so our wet sets usually take about an hour and a half to an hour 45. So after we do the first set of handmade spikes, we then will add in the feathered spikes, and we will just eye it out, make sure it's symmetrical. I think that checking the work with a mirror is like a must, especially with wet sets, because again, you want to make sure that each eye is even and perfectly symmetrical. I think with wet sets, you have to be more cautious because it's really easy to not map it out correctly. If you are a newer lash tech or you feel more comfortable mapping out each set by using a mapping pen and putting it on the iPads, definitely do that. We love lashing in these chairs. They are massaging, they're heated. They time out after 30 minutes, so you do have to pay attention, but our clients love these chairs. They do lay completely flat. And then we of course use our saddle stools, which is a layered saddle stool. So you can actually like sit Indian style, and it's really comfortable for you as a lash artist. So we bond after every single set except for UV. And so the final result of this is so beautiful. Of course, like she's flawless as a model, but this set took closer to 2 hours just because we were filming and Desi is a perfectionist. But the end result is beautiful. We will see Ashley in about 3 weeks for her fill. Again, this is a 0.03cc curls, so beautiful, 9 through 15. Love doing shorter lashes on the bottom layer. We hope to see you guys in the next video. I'm so excited we're doing these behind the scenes.